Hey guys, it's Dara, and today we have the Sephora Play Box, and I'm glad I got it just in time because I am meeting in just like about 4 short days to go on my cruise, so I'm super excited that it came up. So let's go ahead and dive right into the box here. Sometimes I do things, sometimes I can't. Am I swearing the right color? Box. So we have the package in, and then we have the actual bag for it. So first things first, I see the Clinique High Impact Mascara. And I actually really like the wand on this. It actually isn't too big or too small. Actually, it's not just too big. Actually, a nice size to get in there and just like fit comfortably. I don't like the really big ones. It just they don't do anything. They really don't. Then we have a Caviar Anti-Aging shampoo and conditioner. Little one-time uses here. Transform just after one use. Strengthens damaged hair. This is what I need. Let's see. Proven to reduce hair breakage and split ends by more than 99% versus untreated hair when used in a regimen. We only get one use. Foil packets. Thank you. Ooh. We got Fresh. One of the Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream. It's sheer pink lip tint. And let me try and get into here. Oh, this is so cute. See, this is why I also have nude lips. Okay. Oh, okay. You get a good chunk of product in here. These are really expensive. And my lips have been really chapped. It smells really good. Oh, my lips feel so good. It feels so good. And the good thing about this is it has a screw. So it's not like you could lose it in your purse. I'm going to take this with me on my cruise. Trying to see. I think there's just a little bit of color on my lips. I like it. I was hoping I was going to get this. This is a Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. Let's see. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Massage into skin to absorb. It's kind of like a sleeping mask, basically. It doesn't say sleeping mask, but it says... I don't know what it says because it's kind of cut out. Skin reflecting acids work while you sleep. Use nightly or as desired. Use as directed. And like I said, it's really small. But it seems like you get a nice, good chunk of product. Like they really filled it up. And it kind of is like between a cream and a gel. So that it actually feels really nice on the skin. And it doesn't really smell like anything. It has just like that lotiony smell. Like unscented lotion smell. Okay. And if my skin feels really small, soft compared to like over here, I'm going to try this tonight. I don't think you need that much either. I got the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. Matcha Green Tea Extract. Let's see. It just smells kind of clean. Almost like pine sol. I can't really put my finger on it. Kind of Windex. I think it's like the lemon Lysol wipes that it smells like. That's product number 5. That's product number 5. And then last but not least, Makeup Forever. Step 1, Skin Equalizer. Okay. Okay. Soothing Primer. I was going to say I prefer this to be in English, not French. Step 1 is a range of complexion bases designed to refine and smooth skin while evening out complexion before applying makeup. Okay. I knew it was going to be a squeezy tube. Okay. Okay. It has kind of like skin color. And it definitely looks to be a blurring primer. I don't even know if you could see that. Skin blurring primer area. Can you? Okay, let's go like right here. Can you hear the anime in the background? That's my roommate. I feel like it does. You can definitely see, and it kind of has a tint to it too, but okay. I am having some issues. Breakage. So I don't know if you can see here. Right here. Right here. Right here and here. And right there. Oh God. Oh. This is how I've been putting my hair back today. I take this chunk, or I go like this. Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. But in time for Easter, they did make this a pink one instead of a red. It's like, you know, I think it's like that pink purple combo. It looks pink, it looks purple. In person, it looks more like a pinkish purple, but on here, it kind of just looks like pink. But let's go in and check this out. First things first, you get the 50 points. And let's go ahead and take a look here. To be honest, the stuff that was in the box is not what was in the look at what you're getting. And I think what you need to do, if that's happening to you with Sephora, you need to go into the app and check out there what you're getting. This is just fucking shit on me. So the Clinique mascara, the High Impact Mascara in black, blue back and forth. Oh, this is a bestseller. The sugar, or the Fresh Sugar Ranch Therapy Treatment in a Dream. I forget, this one doesn't really have much to it. Here, let me give you some information. Delivers a voluminous, defined look, coat your lashes, and then nurturing a formula for an all-day vibe, or add more layers to play for nighttime. The one thing I could say is I think Clinique tries to really go skincare route with all of their stuff. I look like I literally lost my hair. But go like skincare route for every product they can and put something in there that will kind of help with what kind of product it is. The Fresh keeps your lips moisturized up to 24 hours. Feels really nice. So nice. Make it perfect use for alone or as a base for a long wear lipstick. Thank you. Sea Fennel visibly smooth lines, while orange extract helps to protect lips. Okay. And then we have our micellar water, triple action cleansing water. Soothing formula leaves skin feeling fresh and comfortable in one simple step. Hydro Sun Plus, and plant derived from ingredient moisturizers and nourishes. You just apply like micellar water with a cotton pad. I already told you what this does. Reduces breakage, helps strengthen hair and conditions, and helps prevent future damage. I'm going to do that probably here pretty soon on my hair. because I put some blonde in it. Then we have our Glam Glow, which I'm going to definitely do tonight. Set your skin on a path towards greatness while you sleep. This passion fruit infused night cream hydrates skin and reduces dullness, uneven texture, and dryness. So you dry girls out there, or boys, or you have an even texture like I do right now, maybe it will help. But I always have like uneven texture on my forehead. You want to apply a dime-sized amount onto clean skin as the last step of your skincare before bed. Not during the day, before bed. And then we have the Makeup Forever. It says, make foundation last for hours with this balancing primer that works for all skin tones, which really is nice. It helps makeup stay while hydrating the skin and delivering a smoother, firmer appearance. Okay. They say you want to apply about a quarter size amount evenly over the skin and then followed by foundation. So this, if you guys use multiple primers, this is the last primer you want to use. So that is it. Let's see what's on here. Sephora Bingo. So it's kind of like things that you have. One of them's like check package tracking 20 times a day. Not me. Memorize store hours by heart. Nope, not me. Travel with bags of samples. That is me. Poo-poo. Stockpile inserted points. That is me. Won't let a shade go unswatched. That's me. Not afraid of a peel. No. Skip happy hours, went to Sephora. Have palettes that have more palettes and matching socks. That I do. Texted a friend for skincare advice. Nope, usually they text me. Have dry shampoo in the bathroom, office, and car. 1 of 3. So it's just something like kind of cute that you could do with yourself. But that is it, lovelies. You guys have a great rest of your night, and I will see you next month. Bye.